We made it to All Star Sports. Our room is ready. It's super early. It's only 11 o'clock. No, 11:40. And we have got our room. This is us. Let's see if it works. Yay! We're on a corner room. So this is a bed and this here is a pull down bed. The table literally just goes, it's super easy. Just pull the chairs out, pull it down. Who's going to have the Murphy bed? Me or you? Okay. This is their deluxe version. Deluxe. This is their budget version, but it's pretty awesome. We love all the All-Stars. No more shower curtains with the upgrade. Really nice shower head. 3 towels. Big space. Hanging space. We have Disney soap. Yay, it smells so good. And this hand soap and lotion smells delicious. So good. You've got a pull out mirror thing going on. You've got a big mirror, you've got tissues, extra toilet paper, an iron, tissues, towels. There's 2 of us staying. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, once caught a fish alive, towels. All right, so we just love Disney resorts, but I'll show you another good thing about this. So when you have 4 people in this room, someone could be in the toilet or in the shower, and then they can close the door, right? Then someone can be in here, putting makeup on, washing hands, ironing, whatever, getting changed in here, while out there it could be another person getting changed or doing whatever they want to be doing in there. So that's 3 separate rooms in this little tiny, 4-person hotel room. There's only 2 of us today, so we probably won't need to use all that stuff. Love, love, love that. And love this. Like at other hotels, you just don't have hanging space. And they've got hooks. They've got plenty of hooks. Got hooks, 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 rails, more rails to there. Like everything is just perfectly thought out. I just love the Disney bubble. Highly recommend. All right, let's go explore. Forgot to mention, we have our refillable cup, $20 for your whole stay, which is super awesome. Drink costs about $6, so good value. All right, we'll show you how easy this is to pull the Murphy bed down. You just go pull with one hand, and there we go. That was done. And look who's up there. Huey, Dewey, Louie. Yay! They have their own Siri, which is Mickey. You talk to him and he can give you info like what time do the parks open, weather, all sorts of stuff, setting alarms, reading stories, playing music, all that stuff. How cute it is. All right, let's go explore. Okay, back in the magic. So All Star Sports, it's all themed to sports obviously. We are in Surf's Up. So we've got, shark, fish. But look, cute little photo op. Over there must be their basketball section. What's this over here, Ella? What's 15 all? Is it tennis? 15:30? Yeah, it must be 10. Oh yeah, it is tennis. I can see the racket up there. And this must be a ball holder. See, sporting. Yeah. And then over here, although we just left our door wide open. Should I shut the door? If you all, we'll come back. There's someone playing checkers down there. The pool is just around there. I'll show you. We're on the 3rd floor. They have elevators. still up of our building. I mean, All Stars are pretty big, house a lot of people. There's a little kiddie pool, and then a big pool. So what makes it a value resort is it doesn't have it doesn't have a table service, and the pools don't have slides. Pretty much that's about it, because it has all the other bits and bobs, bell services, room service, everything else you need. What's that pool? Is it a shape of a sporting thing? Normally it has some sort of relationship to the thing. Just a wave pool. Cool. Surf's up. Alright, let's go back. Alright, so that's the tennis building. We are in a preferred building, which means you're just closer to the resort lobby and pool amenities, but these aren't that far anyway. We have the basketball. Holy dooly, look at these big whistles, Ella. Wow. They've even got like the little ball inside the whistle, like a real whistle does. That's cool. Can you really play basketball here? Could you throw a ball that high?
There's so many balls.
Well, let's go around here.
They're like surrounding.
I can't see them.
What?
Maybe we need to buy some deodorant. Oh, that's cool. Alright, let's go quickly explore some other buildings. We do need to get to the parks, because that's why we're here. We had a breakfast in their quick service. It was awesome. Mickey waffles. I'll show you next time. Go through here. So this resort was renovated, I think, around 2019, 2020. So in their shop here at All Stars, they've got everything you need. Like, we ran out of deodorant. They've got deodorant, toothpaste, medicines, baby powders, nappies, you name it, they've got it. And look at their food. Like, turkey breast, chicken meat, $10 for all that. Can't see how heavy it is. Oh, $9. Like, seriously, they've got heaps of stuff in here. Good prices as well, considering you're at a resort. Like a litre bottle of water. No, what's 20 ounces? $4.25. We won't be buying any soft drinks. We've got the cup, the mug. You can even buy beer, Corona, $9.50. It's awesome. There's those copa del vino, $12. You can buy donuts, you can buy bread, you can buy chips. Hey! Oh, they don't have them in the big one.
No, they're the puffs.
They've only got the puffs. Bagels. Like $6.99 for a 10-pack of bagels. What? It's pretty good. Then you just get the cream cheese and Bob's your uncle. Yeah, jams, biscuits. Yes. Oh, chocolate almonds, peanuts. What's these? Oh, Rice Krispies. Woo, woo, woo. Awesome. And then gift shop stuff. Oh, look at these little cute teacups. Cute. I can hear something ticking.
I guess it was.
Is that an egg timer type? Yeah, kitchen timer. That is so cute.
Ice cream scoop. Look how cute that is.
Oh, is there sprinkles in there?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Look. Measuring cups. $15 for these as well.
This stuff's so cute.
I know you could go crazy. Look at these clips. They're like, you know, chip bag clips and stuff. Oh, look at, is that an avocado? Oh no, it's an egg slicer. You could put avocado in it, I guess. Oh my gosh. Okay.
I think that's like a lid on it.
We might have to get that, but that's an expensive. Although, how much peelers are pretty expensive when you buy a good one. So I wonder if it's a good one. How do you hold it though? It would be hard to hold.
His head.
Would you hold it here?
I think this is cute.
Yeah, but how would you cut ice cream with it? Is it like sharp enough? Oh yeah, it is.
If I were to get this, I'm gonna get this.
Yeah, well let's see if we don't get anything else, we can come back and get that. They'll be here. Or a lunchbox.
Oh wait, they have your jumper that you want.
The jumper?
Oh, I know that. Oh yeah, maybe.
What's the monorail? What's this one?
Salt and pepper shaker.
On a stand, on the monorail
But we have a
stand.
salt and pepper shaker and
We don't use it. I know, but 25 bucks. That's cute. That's better than a t-shirt or a jumper. Don't you reckon?
That's what you want.
I guess so. Let's have a quick look. Where's the jumper?
Over here.
Look at these pants. Oh my god. Yeah, that's it.
But it's not even like, it's just like a long sleeve shirt.
Yeah, but we don't get that cold at home anyway.
Yeah, but you do.
I do, yeah, I suppose.
Oh my god, look, Liza.
50 bucks. I know, I saw them. I was thinking of getting them for golf. Like, it's Minnie's the white one, and there's a grey one, which is Mickey. I've already spotted that. Spotted it. Spotted. Some pins? How much are the pins worth? Probably 20 bucks. I can't see. Hold on. Can you see?
It doesn't have a price.
Oh, it's free. Should grab some of those.
Mystery. 22.
Oh, are they colours? $22 for your mystery pins. Whoa.
No,
Look
this doesn't have a colour.
So cute. Playing the part. 25 buckaroos. No. But that looks like it's Big Thunder, isn't it? See? Oh. We might need to get a magnet, but $20? I think I'd rather salt and pepper shaker. Monorail. Yeah? I mean, we've bought photo frames before, we still don't have pictures in them. So, that's probably not the best. Let's have a look. I do love you seeing these tracky decks. Look at these.
Yeah, they look like your other ones though. Yoda.
Oh, Yoda ones, yeah, but they're 50 bucks. Ah. Caps. Oh, these are those ears. I like these ears.
I like your ears on your back.
Oh, ear holders. You could make them quite easily. I like the little.
I like these.
These. How much are these though? Teal. What's teal? Probably. I don't know. We'll see what teal is. Oh yeah, they're nice. Oh, look how cute the bow is. So tiny, and it's got all the. So you got everything? Or is it Magic Kingdom? Oh no, they're all Magic Kingdom. Oh no, Tower of Terror. Epcot. Yeah, they're cool, Ella. Are you gonna buy a pair of ears? Can't get that back on. I do like these too, though. And I like Tinkerbell. Hats, caps, I mean. So $29.99 each when you buy two. How much is it when you buy one? Oh, $32. I mean, this one's cute if it came at Easter time. Look at that Winnie the Pooh one. Always on my naughty list. Always on my nice list. This one's cool. Yes. Oh, look, Ella. That is so cute. I just don't want to start the whole collection of lounge flies. They're too expensive. Oh, here's this one that keeps haunting us, Ella. The pink one. Look at this. So
like
cute. 36 bucks. Just plain red. They don't do much for me. Oh, this one's cute. I think I've seen these before. I think these keep coming back. Look, it's gold etched. Put this away. Did I get this guy?
I think you got 2025.
Yeah. Let's see how much this photo frame is. How much do you want to play a game? How much?
25.
$29. So you're close. That's too heavy for us to carry home though. We need something small. Ella's got these.
Like, yeah, I like that hoodie.
That All-Star. Yeah, that is nice. It's navy as well, I like it. Pens, autograph books. I mean, you wouldn't buy an autograph book for $20, would you? Oh no, they're postcards. That's well, even then, $2. I suppose
Disney
$2.
Parks Monopoly.
We wouldn't get that home.
If we lived here, yeah.
How much is it?
30.
50. That's probably how much you pay for Monopoly though, because you would pay like, you know,
if we lived here, we would get it.
Star Wars ones. I've seen them for like $60.
You could probably buy that.
We have to buy it online, I reckon.
Oh, look at the castle.
Oh, that's cute. So that's only $15. Oh, People Mover? Oh, we do love the People Mover. Whoa, that's a fast. Whoa. How much are they? They're only $13. Maybe we need to buy one of them. So many options. You could just go wild. What's the monorail? He's just a die cast. Oh, look. Yeah, just metal. We don't really need to catch one of them, but they're pretty cool to have. We bought one of these things for some friends of ours before. $17. I reckon you would have wanted this if you were little. Like these little baby things are so cute. Stuffed toys. We don't need any more stuffed toys. What's Ella found? Oh, the pins. Let's see if there's any pins we like. No, we don't need any of these ones. Good to look though. Pens? $8. How much do you get one of these? What's that? How much do you get one of these at Typo? Would you pay? Is it $8? I don't think so.
How much is silver?
I think I saw the code before. I mean, that is cute. But why is it? Oh, it's for all stars. It's got the musics and the...
This one's $8
for a magnet. Oh gosh.
I don't know what it is.
Is it not a magnet? This is the jumper we like.
Oh yeah, it is a magnet.
But that's a warm jumper too. It's warm inside. How much was it? $80. 60 bucks. This is the activity board. You can do all sorts of things. Everything you need for a great vacation. People decorate their rooms. Like this one, Happy New Year. Here's this photo op that I showed you before. Have a look on the ground. It's actually Mickey ears shaped. I thought it was a shadow, but it's Mickey ears. So we're going to try and do a selfie there. Alright, let's go. We've got to get to the park, so we need to hurry up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!